In the basic course, I showed you how to use formatting to format numbers, or dates, or time, or text. Now you can also use custom formatting. So I want to show you now how to use the custom formatting. So if I've got a number here, which has got a few characters, you go right click, go to format cells, go to number, then go to custom. So if I want this number to be a certain length, then I just put zeros there. So now this number will always be that length. Even if I just type the number 1, it will always be that length. 2, 3. So this will be the length it will always be. You can obviously go more than that, but if it's less than that, that will be the length. So let's do another one there. I'm going to go to custom. I want to make this 3 characters. So if I put 1 there, it's there. If I put 1,000 there, 10,000, then the 10,000 will show. So there you can make sure it's just the actual length. What's important is if you count the specific cell, it will then still be 1 character long. So you do that with a len formula, so it will still be 1 character long. If I've got 2 in there, it will then be 2 long. So it's important to note that it does not increase the length of your cell, it just views it differently. So let's go see what else we can do here. So it's important to go to custom and understand what these things mean. So let's go click on this one, for example. So it says red there. So let's go test it. So if I've got a positive 1,000 there, it will just show positive. If I've got a negative, it will show red. So let's go see how it actually looked. So this is how you do it. So the first one is for the positive, and the next one is for the negative. And that's the way you're going to learn how to change this. So if I want this to be blue, then it will be blue. So that is how you change it. So now we've created a new one. So I could say that I want the minus to have a minus in front. So can you see now there's a minus? So I could even say I want a minus at the back. So can you see how I'm busy editing this? So if it's positive, it's just going to be, if it's negative, it's going to show it like that. So how do you put something customized at the back? So for example, if I want to show metric tons, so I want to almost do something like this, where I'm seeing 1,000 metric tons. So now this is text at this stage. So if I try to sum this, it will not sum. So we can do this with custom formatting. Let's go to format cells. So if you go to custom in format cells, then I'm standing in B3. I would click one of this I want to use. So I want to use this one. I would then just go to the end and insert metric ton, and also to the negative metric ton, and you'll say okay. So if I insert 100 there, or even 1,000, it would show me metric ton or a negative. So now we can actually count this and total it. So it's showing me 6,000 metric ton. So you can use any one you want there. So that's a nice way to do it. Another thing you can do, if I go to format cells, custom formatting. So if I type the asterisk there, put 1 comma, and then say K, for example, then it will be, everything will be to 1,000. So if I type in 1,000, it will be 1K. If I type in 1,000,000, it will be 1,000K. So the same principle is there if I want to do millions. So I just add another comma, and then just change this to million, and now that's 1,000,000. So 1,000 would not show me anything because it's not included. So that's 10 million. So that's a way to quickly see something else. At the top there, you'll still see it shows 10 million. But the way you view it is the way you've custom formatted it.